Hi everybody, I hope you're having an awesome day today. So today I'm really excited to bring you this video because I'm going to be talking about this really cool, awesome company called Lights Up Online. Now why I'm really excited to make this video is because with social distancing restrictions finally being lifted and social gatherings and things like that starting to ease and we're able to go out and see friends and things like that again, you might want to spruce up your backyard or your house with some fun and festive lights. Now Lights Up Online have a massive extensive range of hundreds of different lights you can choose from for your home and backyard. They have a range of lights for both indoor and outdoor, which include LED lights, bulbs, smart lighting, decorative lighting, Christmas lighting, Halloween lighting. They even have night lights and lampshades available. And their products range from like string lights, fairy lights, twinkle lights, really beautiful decorative statement pieces you can have in your home. And what's really exciting is if you go to their website here and sign up, you can get $20 off your very first order with them, which is a really great deal because their prices are already amazing. And to make it even easier for us, they have a huge range of different payment methods, including Zip Pay and Afterpay. And on top of that, if you spend over $150, you also get free shipping. Now I'm going to talk about and show you two different types of lights that Lights Up Online do sell. Now the first one are the multi-LED cluster lights. Now these come in the warm colored lights, as you can see there. They also come in the white colored lights and the rainbow multicolored lights. Now these are so cute. They come on this thin but strong bendable silver wire, so you can mold and bend these lights around so easily to exactly how you want them and where you want them and how you want them to look, which is so versatile and really convenient. You can also use these indoors and outdoors. The full length of these lights are 5 meters long, and what's really cool about these are they are dimmable, and you can set timers on these guys as well, and they come with a really handy remote control which you can use to control the settings and the timer. So there's 8 different functions on these that you can play around with. So there's number 1, which is comb, number 2, which is in waves, number 3, which is subsequential, number 4, which is slow glow, number 5, which is chasing flash, number 6 is fade, number 7 is twinkle flash, and number 8 is steady on. So they're really versatile and you can change them around or just set them to your favorite function. And they're so bright and pretty and fun and festive, and they'd be really great for weddings and birthday celebrations and like kids' bedrooms or in your own bedroom, like as a backdrop for my filming. I'm so excited about that. And if you're a blogger or a vlogger like me and you're a photographer and you like to take lots of photos, these are perfect for flat lay and styling photos. And this 400 pack of micro LED cluster lights only retails for $44 per box. Next up, I want to talk to you and show you these Festoon LED string light. Now these are larger lights and they come in a pack of 20 on black wire, and you can choose from either clear or opal globes. Now the clear ones are currently only $69 and the opal globes retail for $89. So these are a massive 10 meters long, so you can really go all out with these with your decorating. So in my opinion, I think this will be perfect for outdoor use, but you can also absolutely use them indoors. So if you want to make a statement in your home decor, maybe in your living room or your kids' room or your own bedroom, you can really set these up and make a really cool statement and set the mood for however you want your home to be. Now you can also set a timer for these lights, which will be perfect for outdoor use for security reasons if you want to turn them on without going outside. And they just look so good outside on like a patio or a pool area or along the fence or just anywhere that you want to hang your lights or where you want to make a really cool street appeal. Not only that, all of these lights will be perfect for all other occasions as well, so you could use these year round. So if you want to make a statement in your home, either indoor or outdoor or both, and then you can also set them up to use them for Christmas light, Halloween, New Year's, or any other celebrations that you want to create throughout the year. So with celebrations slowly becoming a thing again, it'd be really fun to set these up and create a real warm, welcoming, fun environment for your family and friends. So that's my review of Lights Up Online, everybody. I really hope you enjoyed. If you're interested in any of these products, make sure you check out the website. I'll have it here again. Seriously, if you're not keen on what I have shown you, but you are after some kind of lights for your home, definitely check these guys out. Their prices are so affordable and their range is huge, so you're sure to find something that you're after and something to your taste and style. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.